Welcome to Preeminent Test Prep. Today I have an SAT math trick that I want to show you. So this trick deals with lines of best fit on the math with calculator section. So to illustrate my tip, I'm going to use question 4 from SAT Practice Test 8, the math with calculator section. So we see here that we have length on our y-axis and width on our x-axis with a line of best fit as that line going through the middle of the graph. So we're told the scatter plot above shows data collected on the lengths and widths of iris setosa petals. A line of best fit for the data is also shown. Based on the line of best fit, if the width of an iris setosa petal is 19 millimeters, what is the predicted length in millimeters of the petal? Well, we see that 19 isn't on our width here. So we could estimate right around where 19 would be, right? And we draw a line up, and then we could connect that to our line of best fit and try to take a good guess. But if they had two answer choices that were really close, like in this case C and D are really close, what we'd want to do then is take this equation for the line of best fit and plug in for x, right? So say that you have bad vision or you can't really tell based on where 19 would be, but you want to be sure in your answer. Then you want to take that equation and then plug in for x, 19. So you do y equals 1.67 times 19 and then plus 21.1. So you plug that in your calculator, not the y, just the 1.67 times 19 and then plus 21.1. So I'll put that in my calculator right now, and that's going to give you 52.83. Okay, 52.83. So even if these two C and D were really close together and you did this, you know you're going to end up with 52.83, so you know your answer would be C, right? So if this case, let's say that D was 53.27, right? 53.27. You have to use this equation to make sure you're getting to the correct answer because you're not going to be able to eyeball that difference of right around a half by drawing that line up and going across like that from this graph. So you want to make sure that you're using this equation in that scenario. So hopefully that was helpful. If it was, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. I also have a 90-day SAT prep course available on my channel under the playlist section, so you can go check that out if you would like.